Imagine turning a tiny investment under $2,000 into a profitable business that you can run yourself. No huge factory, no massive team. Today, I'm revealing 20 manufacturing ideas that are perfect for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone looking to build a brand from scratch. These aren't just ideas from Amazon or online stores. They're real, practical businesses that sell fast, with high demand and minimal upfront risk. Stick around, because one of these ideas could be your next million-dollar opportunity. Number 1 is granola or energy bite manufacturing. Healthy, convenient snacks are in growing demand because people want on-the-go options that are nutritious and tasty. With a small mixer and packaging sealer costing $400 to $1,300, you can make granola bars, protein bites, keto-friendly snacks, or energy balls. Production cost per pack is $1 to $2, selling for $5 to $8, giving $3 to $6 profit per pack. Sell online, through gyms, subscription snack boxes, or at local markets. Seasonal flavors and branded packaging increase appeal and repeat purchases. When you create high-quality snacks, repeat customers and referrals build your brand naturally, giving you a steady stream of income. Our second pick is reusable tote bag printing. Eco-friendly products are trending strongly, and consumers increasingly avoid single-use plastic. With a basic heat press costing $500 to $1,700, you can customize canvas or eco bags with trendy quotes, designs, or logos. Each bag costs $2 to $4, selling for $10 to $15, leaving $6 to $13 profit per bag. Market online, at events, or to corporate clients as promotional products. Instagram-worthy designs and seasonal patterns make your products highly shareable. With the sustainability trend, these bags practically sell themselves, attracting eco-conscious buyers who love to promote your brand. Number 3 is dried flower or potpourri packs. Decorative home accents are in high demand because they provide sustainable beauty and fragrance options for homes. Using a dehydrator costing $500 to $1,400, you can produce floral arrangements, potpourri packs, and sachets. Production cost per pack is $2 to $5, selling for $10 to $15, leaving $5 to $13 profit. Sell on Etsy, in boutique stores, or at local craft fairs. Beautiful packaging and seasonal arrangements enhance perceived value. Natural, aesthetically pleasing products create lasting impressions and steady demand, making them perfect for repeat sales. Number 4 is pet treat mixing and baking. The pet market is booming as owners treat their animals like family and demand healthy, natural treats. Using a small mixer and oven costing $500 to $1,600, production cost per pack is $2 to $4, selling for $8 to $12, giving $4 to $10 profit. Sell online, at local pet stores, or via subscription boxes. Personalized flavors, allergen-free options, and cute packaging differentiate your products in a competitive market. High-quality treats help you build a loyal customer base that keeps returning for more, turning pets into your long-term business advocates. Number 5 is concrete or Jesmonite decor items. Modern minimalist home decor is in high demand because customers are looking for unique, stylish items that elevate their living spaces. With mixing and mold tools costing $400 to $1,400, each piece costs $3 to $8, selling for $12 to $20, leaving $9 to $17 profit per item. Market via Instagram, Etsy, or local design stores. Limited editions, creative finishes, and seasonal designs increase perceived value. Every stylish piece you make can turn into consistent income while establishing a strong, recognizable brand in the home decor space. Number 6 is soy or beeswax candle manufacturing. Home fragrance products remain popular because consumers enjoy affordable luxury and giftable items that enhance their living space. With a wax melter and molds costing $400 to $1,200, each candle costs $2 to $5, selling for $8 to $12, giving $6 to $7 profit per candle. Sell online, at craft fairs, or in gift stores. Bundled packs, seasonal scents, and visually appealing packaging increase your sales potential. Products that enhance a home's atmosphere keep customers coming back repeatedly, generating reliable income. Number 7 is nut butter or seed butter grinding. Health-conscious customers are increasingly willing to pay for natural, high-quality spreads. Using a small grinder costing $500 to $1,500, you can produce artisanal peanut, almond, or mixed seed butters. Production cost per jar is $3 to $5, selling for $8 to $12, leaving $5 to $7 profit. Market online, at farmers markets, or in health stores. Offering unique flavors such as chocolate, cinnamon, or spiced varieties helps you differentiate your brand. Consistently delicious spreads build a loyal following and reliable sales that grow your business steadily. Number 8 is wallet inserts and small leather accessories. Minimalist, practical accessories are highly trendy, and customization appeals to customers. With leather cutters, hole punches, and rivets, $350 to $1,300, each product costs $5 to $10, selling for $15 to $20, giving $10 to $15 profit. Sell online, at craft fairs, or in boutiques. Offering color options, personalization, and custom engraving makes your products more desirable. High-quality, functional accessories attract repeat customers and establish a reputation for durability and style. Number 9 is bath salts, scrubs, and body care products. Wellness and self-care products are booming as consumers seek affordable indulgence at home. With a small mixing setup costing $300 to $1,000, production cost per item is $2 to $4, selling for $7 to $10, giving $5 to $6 profit. Market online, at gift shops, or subscription boxes. Seasonal scents, attractive packaging, and wellness branding increase repeat sales. People love pampering themselves. Make it easy for them to buy from you, and they'll keep coming back. Number 10 is herbal tea or functional blend production. Functional and wellness teas are in high demand because of immunity, relaxation, and energy-boosting trends. With a grinder and pouch sealer costing $400 to $1,200, production cost per pack is $2 to $4, selling for $8 to $12, giving $6 to $10 profit. Market through subscription boxes, online stores, or wellness shops. Unique blends like calming, detox, or energy-boosting teas help your brand stand out. Every sip your customer takes is a reminder of your brand and builds long-term loyalty. Number 11 is custom 3D printing. Personalized and functional items are increasingly popular because people want unique products not easily found in stores. With an entry-level desktop 3D printer costing $300 to $1,800, you can produce phone stands, small accessories, replacement parts, or customized gadgets. Material cost per item is $1.50 to $4, selling for $12 to $22, giving $8 to $18 profit. Market through Etsy, Shopify, or social media. Offer custom designs, limited editions, or themed sets to encourage repeat buyers. Unique, functional products create lasting customer loyalty and generate steady sales over time. Number 12 is spice blending and seasoning mixes. Gourmet and ethnic food blends are in high demand as home cooks look for convenient ways to add flavor to their meals. With a small spice grinder and mixer costing $600 to $1,600, production cost per small pack is $1 to $2.50, selling for $9 to $14, leaving $6.50 to $12.50 profit. Market online, at farmers markets, or as gift packs for holidays. Highlight organic, unique, or exotic blends for better appeal. High-quality, flavorful blends build a brand that customers return to for consistency and taste. Number 13 is small batch cookie or biscuit production. Artisan cookies and biscuits are popular for gifting and daily indulgence. With a mixer and oven setup costing $600 to $1,800, production cost per cookie is 60 cents to $1.70, selling for $2.50 to $3.50, giving $1 to $2.50 profit. Market through Instagram, local cafes, or subscription snack boxes. Seasonal flavors, gift sets, and branded packaging help you stand out. Fresh, handcrafted treats create loyal customers who keep coming back for quality and flavor. Number 14 is natural bar soap and bath bomb production. Clean beauty and wellness products are booming as consumers avoid chemical-laden alternatives. With a small melt and pour mixer and molds costing $500 to $1,500, production cost per soap bar is $1.20 to $3. Bath bombs, 90 cents to $2, selling for soap $7 to $11, and bath bombs $5 to $9, leaving $4 to $8 profit per item. Market online, at craft fairs, or wellness boutiques. Add seasonal scents, gift bundles, and attractive packaging. Natural, visually appealing products foster trust and encourage repeat purchases. Number 15 is vinyl decal and sticker cutting. Customized decals and stickers are inexpensive, highly shareable, and popular for personal or business use. A budget vinyl cutter costs $200 to $1,200. Material cost per decal 10 cents to 60 cents, selling for $4 to $10, yielding $3.40 to $9.90 profit. Sell online, via Etsy, or through local businesses. Trendy, themed, or personalized designs increase viral potential and repeat sales. Custom, eye-catching decals make products collectible and highly marketable. Number 16 is resin jewelry or keychain making. Personalized and decorative small items are in demand for gifts and collectibles. Using a UV resin lamp and molds costing $200 to $1,000, material cost per item is 80 cents to $2.40, selling for $10 to $16, leaving $8 to $15.20 profit. Market via Etsy, Instagram, or craft fairs. Unique designs, embedded decorations, and custom shapes attract buyers. Creative, personalized accessories build a loyal customer base and recurring sales. Number 17 is custom phone case decoration. People love one-of-a-kind, functional accessories for their phones. With a resin or vinyl setup costing $400 to $1,300, material cost per case is $3 to $5.50, selling for $15 to $24, leaving $9.50 to $21 profit. Market online or on social media. Personalization with names, initials, or artwork encourages repeat orders and social sharing. Custom, stylish designs strengthen your brand and encourage word-of-mouth growth. Number 18 is scented wax melts and room sprays. Home fragrance products are highly popular as affordable ways to make living spaces feel luxurious. Startup costs are $350 to $1,000. Production cost per wax melt 80 cents to $1.90, and sprays $1.50 to $3. Sell wax melts for $6 to $9, sprays for $10 to $14, giving $4 to $11 profit per item. Market online, at gift shops, or via subscription boxes. Seasonal scents, attractive packaging, and gifting options boost sales. Quality scents and elegant packaging make customers return consistently. Number 19 is small batch coffee roasting. Freshly roasted coffee appeals to connoisseurs and everyday drinkers seeking quality. With an entry-level home roaster costing $800 to $1,900, green beans cost $5 to $10 per 12-ounce bag, selling for $12 to $18, leaving $4 to $13 profit per bag. Market online, at farmers markets, or through subscription services. Unique blends, storytelling, and freshness differentiate your brand. Fresh, flavorful coffee keeps customers ordering consistently and builds a loyal fan base. Number 20 is biomass fire starters or pellets. Eco-friendly fuel is popular with campers, gardeners, and environmentally conscious buyers. Using a compact pellet press costing $1,000 to $1,900, material cost per pack is 40 cents to $1.20, selling for $7 to $11, giving $5.80 to $10.60 profit per pack. Market online, at outdoor stores, or eco-lifestyle shops. Highlight the sustainability and efficiency benefits to attract buyers. Eco-friendly, functional products solve real problems while building a loyal, repeat customer base. So there you have it, 20 smart, low-budget manufacturing business ideas that you can start from home, all with realistic costs and profits. Now it's your turn. Which of these would you start first? Comment below. I'd love to see your pick. Remember, success favors action. Pick one idea, get your machine, and start small. Don't forget, all the tools, machines, and starter kits I mentioned are linked in the description, so you can jump in today without any guesswork. Small investment, smart strategy, big results. Go turn your idea into your next income stream.